Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to install or uninstall CA and other types of certificates in any Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the settings. And now just scroll down below, and now you will see here security and privacy. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below again, and now you will see here more security and privacy. Just click on it. Now once again scroll down below again, and now you will see here encryption and credentials. Just click on it. Now you will see here trusted credentials, display trusted CA certificates. Just click on it. And you can see here all the already installed CA certificates. So these are the system CA certificates, and you can see the user based CA certificates. So now in order to uninstall or remove it, just click on it. Now you can see here uninstall option. So from here you can uninstall it, and now you can see the second option is user credentials. So if you click on it, you can see the user. So if you click on it, you can install from here also. And the third option you can see here, install a certificate. So if you want to install it, you can just select this option, and now you'll see three different options: CA certificates, VPN and app user certificates, and Wi-Fi certificates. So you can click on the respective option, and you can click on this install anyway to install it. And similarly, you can click on the respective options as well, and you can select your respective certificates to select it and install it. And similarly, the last option, Wi-Fi certificates, you can select the respective available Wi-Fi certificates that you want to install. So by using these options, you can install a CA and other types of certificates. And if you want to clear all the certificates, then you can just click on this clear credentials. Then this will remove all the certificates that are installed on your respective Android smartphones. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily install or uninstall CA and other types of certificates in any Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.